Welcome to the Internet Side Hustle training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can join another great affiliate network and promote their products and start earning commissions. Digital Products is one of the great networks out there where you can find very good reliable products to promote and start driving traffic and start making sales. Some of the top gurus are crushing it with this network. So it's a network alternative to ClickBank. So for any reason, if you can't get into ClickBank or you're not interested in promoting ClickBank products, you can come to this network and start promoting products on this network. Now, before I dive into this video and training and showing you how to find the product, how to promote the product, and how to drive traffic to a specific product, let me just introduce myself. I have been in this business for over 12 years and I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have become mentors and coach. If you follow my training video to the T and you take action and you do exactly as I tell you, then you should see a big change coming into your life. Okay, so make sure you watch the video right to the end. Follow the step-by-step instructions that I give and take it to your heart and start taking massive action. Now, there's one thing that you need to remember before even promoting a product, and that is getting your mindset right. Alright, so every single day when you wake up in the morning, I want you to visualize the wealth in present tense. I want you to start doing this on a daily basis. Now, what does wealth mean to you? Does it mean the number, the digits in your bank account? Does it mean traveling the world? Does it mean buying a luxury home? What does it mean? Whatever it means, just visualize it in a present tense and every single day do this and feel the enjoyment like you have already achieved it. And do this every day for the next 30 days. After 30 days, you're gonna see a very big change starting to happen in your life. Condition is no negative thoughts, no complaint, and don't be ungrateful. Okay? Make sure you're thinking positive. Make sure you're not complaining about anything. And even if you achieve a cent, you're just happy and grateful. That's the condition. So do this for 30 days and then you're going to see a big change. And get a piece of paper. Write your income goal. What is your income goal? $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. Whatever your income goal is, just write it down and read it out loud every single day in the morning and in the evening before you go to sleep. Okay? Do this for the next 30 days and you're going to see a big shift. So, before starting to create any kind of business, promoting product, driving traffic, doing anything, this has to be right first. You need to position yourself mentally to a state that you are ready to welcome unlimited abundance and wealth into your life. So if you are ready for this, let's get into this. Now, there's a big difference between WarriorPlus and ClickBank. When it comes to ClickBank, both of these networks are free to join. But when it comes to ClickBank, most of the products are auto-approved, which means you can just go there, click, get your affiliate link and start promoting. But when it comes to WarriorPlus, you have to request approval for products, okay? So it's not something that you're going to be auto-approved. That's number one. Number two is with ClickBank products, most of the product starting point is price-wise is $37, okay? When it comes to WarriorPlus, most of the product starting point is about $12. So if you get paid 50% commission, you're just making about $6 or $5 after the fees. And this is one of the biggest reason why people don't come onto this network, WarriorPlus. They say that there's no commissions and we're making so much effort. But the truth is that they have so many upsells, and most people will buy the upsells as well, and that's where you make that big buck. Okay, so you will end up making 200, 300, 400, and even $500 in commission. So just because the front end product price is low, and based on that the commission is low, that shouldn't put you off. Okay, and number 3, the big difference between ClickBank and WarriorPlus is that when it comes to ClickBank, you don't have to worry about getting paid or anything. As soon as the 60-day refund period has passed, you're going to get paid straight into your bank account, or a paycheck straight to your address. But when it comes to WarriorPlus, you have to request withdrawal. Okay, so you will have to manually add your PayPal account or your bank account details, and then you have to request the withdrawal, and then that money will be withdrawn into your account. All right, so this is a very big key difference between WarriorPlus and ClickBank. So let's get into this, and let me show you how to find products. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to go to affiliates, and then you want to click on offers, and then down here you're going to find thousands and thousands of products to promote. So you could see here there are products, and you could see here get link means I'm already approved, request means I'll have to request. Okay, down here, this is the key important part. Release date, you can see when this product was launched, because you want to promote a latest product. Sales, how many sales this person has actually generated. Conversion rate, which is very, very important. How from 100 visitors, what's the percentage of people buying the product? So you can see here, this is 8%, which means that out of every 100 people, 8 people are buying the product. Visitors value 78 cents based on the traffic that's being received, average sale, conversion, and refund rate, which is very, very important. You want to have it below 5%. It depends on the sales volume. Now, if this was like 5,000 plus and then the refund rate was like 10%, that's okay. But if this was just 1,000 plus and 10% refund rate, then that's not good. That just means that people are requesting a lot of refund. Now, that doesn't mean the product's not good. That doesn't mean the product's not converting, anything like that. It's just that you want to stay on the safe side, that if you're going to make so much effort to promote a product, you want to make sure that the person who purchases the product sticks to it, doesn't request a refund. Okay, so I will normally not go for any product that has a refund rate above 6%. Okay, 5 or 6%. So just remember that. And then down here, this is something that you might not understand. So if you just click on this, and it just explains what is this pulse score. Okay, it's just like that gravity score in ClickBank, and WarriorPlus calls it a pulse score. So you could see that the higher number, the better, because it just means that this product has a tick for everything. Okay, when it comes to sales, when it comes to conversion, when it comes to visitors value, and when it comes to refund rate. Okay, now if I want to promote this product, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on $1 unlimited traffic. And then first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the product section, and I'm going to see the commission. So I could see the front end product is paying me 100% commission, and then the remaining upsell is going to pay me up to 50% commission. Okay, so these are all the other products. Okay, now if I come to the overview, and if I scroll down, you could see that I will get paid anywhere from anywhere from $1 to $323 in commissions, and this is the price range. So you could see here the price is anywhere from $1 to $4.97, and the commission is $1 to $3.23. Okay, now if you want to see the product, first of all you want to check the sales page, just making sure that everything's looking good. It has a video explaining what this product is all about. So I could see here,
unlimited traffic daily.
Okay, so I could see that this person is teaching everything about traffic. Okay, and I could see that this person is making some good amount of money, but in the screenshot you could see that he is sharing the sales, and if you look at it very, very carefully, those sales that he's making is from his own products. Okay, it's not from the affiliate sale. So if you look at the affiliate dashboard, his sale is something like this. Okay, and we want to see the affiliate screenshot. So I don't know why this guy shared this, because if you're in this business, you will know exactly if the results are accurate or not. And if you look at this, you could see that the revenue and the commissions he's been sharing is from actually the from the vendor stats and not the affiliate stats. If you look here again, you could see here that when you look at the affiliate daily stats, his sales and commissions are very, very low. In the last probably 37 days, he just made $300. But when it comes to the vendor stats, he's made over, after paying out the affiliates, he's made around $5,000. Okay, so you have to look at all of this. So what is it? Send daily traffic to any URL in any brand new rotator empty for this launch. Get set up in under 60 seconds and then relax. Okay, so the product is looking quite good. Okay, now if I want to promote this product, I'm just going to click on request approval. And now in my case, because I have been in this business for quite some time and I am known as the top 1% super affiliate, I should get approved instantly. So I am a super, and this is what I'm going to write. I am a super affiliate and would like approval. Okay. In your case, you're just going to write, hey, I am interested in promoting the product. It would be appreciated if you can approve me instantly. Okay, so my thing is going into pending. You're going to look into it, and then within 24 hours, I should be approved. So if I'm approved, let's just look at one of the products that if I'm approved. So let's just go for this one. Get link. If I want to get my link, I'm just going to come here. Okay, and I'm just going to copy this in. This is going to be the affiliate link that I'm going to drive traffic to. Like I said, you can do direct linking, but I highly recommend you create a squeeze page, a small squeeze page, just like this. A squeeze page is like a small mini landing page. You're telling people what to expect on the next page. Okay, so you want to build a list of subscribers because that's where the money is. So you want to build a list of subscribers, and then you can promote different type of products to this list. Okay, now how do you build this landing page? I have already went into very much details about landing pages, how to build it, what to use, what software to use, and it only takes about 5 minutes with a done for you ready-made template. You can check it all out in my previous videos where I have explained everything in very much details. Now when it comes to traffic, one of the traffic sources that I reveal normally is this traffic source, because it allows you to instantly build a list of subscribers and start getting some traffic. Okay, so I have also mentioned this traffic source in my previous videos, and I have gone into very much details explaining how this traffic works, what this traffic source is all about, and how you can take advantage of this traffic to build a premium list of subscribers that will buy your product and potentially make you sales. So make sure you do this, and I am going to come up with a very much in-depth detailed video and tutorial and training on this traffic source, explaining in more details on how to buy the perfect traffic from the perfect person who has a reputation, who's been in this business for quite some time, and who can deliver real traffic, real human visitors with real results. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so this was the overview of this network. Go ahead, join this network. WarriorPlus is absolutely free to join. Just register your free account, start going through these products, and start requesting approval for several products, because if you're just a beginner and getting started, all right, and you don't have any kind of track record, most likely some of the product vendors will refuse your request. So you want to at least request approval for 20-30 products, and so some products will approve you and you are ready to promote products, and you can start promoting products and start making commissions. Now remember, when it comes to WarriorPlus, in my opinion, WarriorPlus products has a better conversion than ClickBank. So if you drive 100 visitors to a normal ClickBank product, you might generate 1 to 2 sales. On the other hand, if you drive that amount of visitors, the same traffic source, to a WarriorPlus product, you might generate 8 sales, 10 sales. And the reason being is because of the front end price is cheap, so it's easy for a person to get into. Okay, so this is my experience that I had to share with you, and that's all for now, and I will see you in the next video.